What's up, Chainlink holder? Welcome to the new branded video about Chainlink. And this video, my brother, I will predicate this coin and I will do a technical analysis, and also in the last, my brother, I will share my opinion to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. Let's start a brand video, but kindly holder, hope you are new my channel, so please, if you are new, so then why are you not subscribing our YouTube channel? Please click out the subscribe button. Alright, come to the point, my brother. This time absolutely all crypto market is not comfortable, every coin is completely lost, but this time, my brother, Chainlink is one of the unique coin to my brother in last 24 hours. They will take a very huge jump and they will get a profit 3.61%. they will get a profit. So I think this is very huge jump now, and absolutely, my brother, especially for short term investor. Hope, my brother, this coin will move upward day by day, minute by minute, but just in only that's all need your focus, your, my brother, collaboration. If you collaborate with this coin, so I hope they will move upward. Kindly don't sell it, hold it. That is just need, my brother, your focus. If you are hold, so I hope the price will be increasing, the coin will move upward. Thanks for watching, Chainlink holder. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type of informative videos.